Hey everyone! Have you ever wished for a tool that makes writing easy? So, dreams do come true. If you're like most content creators or busy professionals juggling multiple tasks and ideas, you understand the struggle of managing your thoughts and getting them down in writing. Today, we will talk in depth about the Letterly Lifetime Deal, which is a game changer in the world of content creation. No matter how good you are at business or how new you are, you will want to take advantage of this deal. Let's work together to figure out how Letterly works. What is Letterly? Letterly is a revolutionary mobile app that transforms your speech into well-written text using advanced AI technology. Designed for busy professionals, content creators, and anyone who needs to write quickly and efficiently, Letterly captures your voice and converts it into polished text. Whether you're drafting emails, social media posts, or notes, this app ensures your ideas are conveyed clearly and effectively. With features like multiple rewrite options, voice preservation, and offline recording, Letterly makes writing as simple as speaking. It's a versatile tool that enhances productivity and creativity, eliminating the hassle of writer's block and enabling seamless content creation on the go. Don't miss out! Exclusive lifetime deal prices on appsumo await. Regular official pricing is over $118, but at appsumo you are getting this at only $59. And this is a one-time single payment. Now let's have a look at all the features that you are going to get with this deal. Here are 2 tiers that you can buy from appsumo. License Tier 1. Tier 1 is a one-time purchase of $59, originally valued at $118. This is suitable for managing up to one device, with access to all the amazing features Letterly offers. 1 device license, unlimited number of notes, 90+ languages recognized, 15 minutes per recording, 27 ways to rewrite text with AI, unlimited recording, voice transcription, native iOS and Android apps, screen off recording, widget and iOS app, offline recording. License Tier 2. License Tier 2 is available as a one-time purchase of $118, offering management of 2 devices along with all the features included in Tier 1. 2 device licenses, unlimited number of notes, 90+ languages recognized, 15 minutes per recording, 27 ways to rewrite text with AI, unlimited recording, voice transcription, native iOS and Android apps, screen off recording, widget and iOS app, offline recording. Check out the link in the description for more details on our appsumo offer. Limited time special pricing starting at $59. Pricing increases on October 16th. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you. 6 most important features that make Letterly special. Speech to text. Easily and quickly turn your speech into well-written text using a convenient mobile app. Rewrite options. Choose from 27 different ways to rewrite your text, whether you want slight tweaks or significant changes. Voice preservation. Preserve the tone of your voice, making it sound like you wrote it yourself. Multi-platform support. Works seamlessly across Instagram, Facebook, Twitter/X, and other platforms. User-friendly design. A convenient native mobile app with fantastic UX. Offline recording. Record your thoughts even when you're offline, making it perfect for on-the-go use. appsumo offers significant discounts on Letterly. Now, 50% discount available, so buy now. People who can benefit from Letterly. C-suite executives, content creators, marketers, freelancers, journalists, students, bloggers. Do you fit the bill or know someone who does? Dive into the world of Letterly and watch the magic unfold. Grab a 10% extra deal from appsumo. Got your eyes on the Letterly Lifetime Deal over at appsumo? Well, guess what? I've got some spicy news for you. On top of that sweet $59 deal, there's a way to snag an extra 10% off. Math wizards, that's savings on savings. How to grab this deal? Visit appsumo's Letterly Lifetime Deal offer. Find out about a cheap pop-up bar. Type in an active email address. Continually use the same email address. Look in your email to find the 10% off promotion. So, why wait? Jump in and let those savings roll. Reviews that Letterly Lifetime Deal on appsumo get. So, are you ready to transform your writing chaos into a symphony? Dive into the world of Letterly. Check out the description, explore the features, and grab that lifetime deal before it's gone. If you found this review helpful and are interested in more tech tutorials and reviews, don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to the channel.